Every farmer can tell you their cost per acre, whether it's fuel, chemical, or labor. So when something comes along that actually bends the number in the right way, farmers take notice. FarmFest isn't a small town show. It's one of the biggest outdoor ag trade shows. And every August, it takes over Redwood County near Morgan, Minnesota. And this year, one conversation keeps coming up more than ever. Input costs keep rising and good labor is harder to find. Plus, you only have so many hours in a weather window before your fields turn to mud that your equipment can't touch. That's something that's pushed drones from a novelty to something that's playing a pivotal role in farms across America. Like take this one, the ABZ Innovation L50. So it's not about replacing the sprayer in your shed, it's about reaching the areas that your sprayer can't reach. Farmers using these are only treating the acres that need it. So less chemical, less runoff, and it goes straight to the bottom line. And it's not just about spraying. Mapping drones are covering more than 1,000 acres in a single flight, spotting crop stress, disease, and issues you can't even see with your naked eye, and water issues weeks before you see them walk in the field. And that data doesn't take a big operation to access anymore. The same technology is inspecting grain bins, checking livestock, and scouting for damage. A drone isn't just a single-purpose tool anymore. It's becoming standard equipment. So this is what change looks like in farming. It's not overnight, but right in front of you. You can find us at dronenerds.com or email us at experts@dronenerds.com and we can find the right fit for your operation. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.